Okay, so real quick, I wanted to show you how to change the blade in the Cricut Maker. I've had my machine for about a year now. I've changed my blade, you know, maybe 3 or 4 times, but it's time to change it, so I thought maybe by showing you, you know, it's pretty easy. So I bought these blades on Amazon, and I can put a link in the description below. They're very much, they're cheaper than buying them from Cricut, just saying, and they work perfectly. So we're going to open the box. Okay, one thing, when you get these, as far as the difference between the colors, red is what you normally use for the blade for like everyday stuff, like vinyl, paper, things like that. I believe the yellow and the blue are for maybe heavy paper or heavier materials. I actually have not used the blue ones. Somebody said to use the red ones, so that's what I've been using. Later on, I'll look into depth what the yellow and blue ones are used for, but we're going to use the red one. So I'm going to take out my blade, or the blade housing, and the blade is right there, so be very careful. And I'm going to just push it in. Oops, sorry. I'm going to push it in, and then I'm going to take it out. All right. So some people, when they look at these, they think that's the blade. Well, it's not the blade. If it was the blade, I would be cutting myself. But the blade is in the wax cover. So I'm going to very carefully take it off like that. Then I'm going to press. Try to do this. I'm going to press the button right here with my second finger here, and then very carefully put it in there like that. And then I'm going to release the plunger. I guess that's a plunger. So I don't know if you can see the blade, but it's in there good. Alright, so that's how you change the blade. And then you want to dispose of the other blade. Don't leave it out. Throw it away right away. You can even use, you know, the little red thing that the new one came in, and put it on there, then throw it in the trash. So then you're going to take it and just put it back in your Cricut Maker, do the latch, and it is ready to go. So these are really nifty. I really forgot how much I bought them, but just say instead of paying $10 a blade, I probably paid $10 for all these blades. So they work. They're very good. I haven't had any problems with them. So you might want to check those out. But thank you for watching.